Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Zacconi Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work, starting by removing the piston itself. This was completely seized up into the piston rod that you see right here. So it was really hard to remove, and as you can see, this one basically just disintegrated. We replaced it with a brass one, way better than this. We also replaced the gaskets that you see right here, the side glass, the gasket from the water tank. We also replaced the steamer cap, this one that you see right here, and yeah, that's pretty much all we did. We also give it a good clean to make sure it's nice and shiny, and we also did clean the portafilter as well. So we're gonna test it out. The machine's been already on for a while, no leaks as you can see, and the machine is at full pressure, as you can see, coming from the steam one. And shower screen. Let me see if I can get. Fortunately, this is my smaller picture that I have. As you can see, good water flow. Let's put the portafilter so we can see it better, because you don't usually do this without the portafilter itself. There you go. And just like if we were making coffee, wonderful, coming out perfectly fine. And there you have it, Zacconi Baby Lasso working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.